If you want to adjust your logo size in SurveyMonkey, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can make your survey look cleaner, more professional, and better aligned with your brand. Whether your logo is too large, too small, or just sitting in the wrong spot, you can fix it in just a few clicks. And if this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Survey. This will take you into the survey editor where you can customize the look and feel of your survey. Now, look for the Add Logo option and click on it. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you upload your brand logo so it appears at the top of your survey. If you already have a logo file ready, go ahead and upload it from your device. Select the image you want to use and confirm the upload. After the logo has been added, you'll notice editing options on the left side of the screen. This is where you can fine-tune how the logo appears. Click on Position first if you want to move or align the logo differently within the survey header area. Depending on your layout, this can help the logo look more centered, balanced, or better placed overall. Next, click on Size. This is the key step if your main goal is to adjust the logo size in SurveyMonkey. You should see multiple size options available, including medium, large, small, and actual size. Choose the option that best fits your design. If your logo looks too dominant, try small or medium. If it's too tiny and hard to see, switch it to large or actual size. Take a moment to preview the result after making your selection. This is important because different logo shapes and file sizes can look very different once uploaded. A wide logo may need a smaller setting, while a compact icon-style logo might look better at a larger size. The goal is to make sure the logo is visible without overpowering the rest of the survey. If needed, you can go back and adjust the size again until it looks right. SurveyMonkey makes it simple to test different settings and immediately improve the appearance of your survey branding. Once you're happy with the logo size and placement, your survey is ready to publish or continue editing. And that's how to adjust logo size in SurveyMonkey. It's a fast way to make your survey look more polished and on brand without needing any advanced design skills. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.